Bonjour mes amis, my name is Chef Noah.
My name is Chef Zoe.
And I'm Chef Skylar.
And today we're making
Chocolate
coconut macaroons. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Then let your cookie sheet with parchment paper so your macaroons don't stick.
In a large mixing bowl, combine sugar, coconut, chocolate, vanilla, and butter.
With an electric mixer, mix 4 egg whites until it gets foamy. Add half a cup of sugar, then whip it some more.
Now, add your coconut mixture into your egg foam ever so gently. Do not squash your foam.
Then you scoop your macaroons onto the cookie sheets.
Bake for 13 to 15 minutes until golden and beautiful.
Like a unicorn with tan.
Or a snow leopard with a tan?
Or a polar bear with a tan.
All right, girls, now it's time to try our macaroons. Let's take a bite. Mmm.
Delicious.
So good.
So good.
Oh, so good.
Yeah.
Mm.